Hey everyone, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. So I came across a video by Pure Estrogen where she decided to use, drum roll please, a plastic bag to get curls, so I decided to try it. The first thing you want to do is take a plastic bag and lay it completely flat. Then take the right side of the bag and fold it vertically. Next, take the left side and fold it vertically. Next, fold the bag in half again so that the edge of both sides are touching. Now that you have your rectangle, take the ends of both sides and fold it inwards. Once that's done, choose a side and begin to roll it. Basically, this is a DIY on how to make rollers out of a plastic bag. This is great for those of you who don't want to spend a lot of money to get fluffy curls. After you have your roller, just take some tape and attach it to the end so that it doesn't unravel. And there you have it, a DIY roller. Now if you're planning on curling your whole entire head, you're going to have to do this multiple times. Once you're complete, everything should look like this. So in her video, she used lotion and oil to style her hair because she was doing like an affordable hack video. I'm not going to be using any lotion, I'm just going to use the oil. I'm going to be starting with the back section of my hair. So I'm combing my hair out. I'm going to grab one of my rollers and just begin to wrap my hair around it. Once that's done, I'm going to grab a hairpin and just secure that roller in place. And that's it. I just repeat the process throughout my whole head. Once you have that complete, it should look like this. So it's the next morning and it's time to take the rollers out. Once all the rollers are out, it should look something like this, and all you have to do now is just separate each individual curl just to get a little bit of body. As you can see, it really does work. You can use a plastic bag to get curls. The only thing that I would do different next time is to use a styling product to give my hair more hold. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to add me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!